Hi guys, it's Troy again. So today I'm going to show you my systems. Now, I tend to hoard them. We go for like 2 a year on average. I tend to go through 2 every kind of like 18 months or so mine kind of carry over into the next year. But I've got some here I'm going to show you, just down here, if I can quickly just thing. So yeah, I'm going to show you my old systems, how I kind of lasted, what I've done to them, what I haven't done to them. And then obviously I've got a new one as well to show you. So yeah, we'll go through them and I'll show you them. Right then, so here we actually have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 of my systems. So I'll go through them all really quickly. So these are my oldest systems. These are 2019. Yep, these are 2020 and these are 2021. And then this one is 2022, which is a repair I've recently had done. I had some hair loss issues, so we had it rehaired. So it's come back looking like new. So obviously you can already see some of the hairs already in it. So I got to cut this one down. And then this is my newest one, which eventually will be the one I put on. Well, actually, funny enough, I'm going to put this one back on eventually. And then this one will be the one I put on in a few months' time. So there's a lot of difference between them, not in terms of build, but in terms of obviously how they last. So I'm going to show you all of them bit by bit and just go through the pros and cons of it, and what I would or wouldn't do it, and what I'm going to do with them now. So this is let's have a look, October 19, and this one is June 19. So okay, this one is actually my oldest system. Now, as you can see, this one was a bit worn and torn. But to be honest, what this one was I originally had longer hair and I didn't like it, and I was getting ready to go into tapes, and I wanted to go back to playing football. And this was probably worn to death. And I thought, well, you know what I'll do? I'll cut it, see how I get on with it. Worked really well, so now I tend to wear my hair how I wear it and how you see it in all the videos. Obviously, hair loss issues on this one in terms of how long I was wearing it for, playing football, kind of just ruining it, things like that. But not good enough to put back on, but also not terrible in terms of, almost 4 years old, and it's not too bad. Next one would have been October, so I already had this one ordered, and as you can see, this one, although not great still, is still in a lot better nick than this one in terms of the hair loss, which we don't see in this one. So as you can see, there's no hair loss in this one compared to this one. This one, I wouldn't want to put it back on my head, but I could if needs be. Mostly just because obviously it'd be quite a change, but if there was an accident or something, I could throw it on my head and do it. But yeah, so that's my 2019 ones. Now, like I said, these are so old, so old, that I'm never, ever, ever going to do anything with these ever again. So to be fair, these two will be going in the bin pretty much straight after this video, although I might leave them for some training. But yeah, they are done. They will never go back on my head. The next ones I'll show you will be the next year. So these are my 2020 systems in a totally different room because someone had to wash some systems, so I had to get out of the way. So these are my 2020s. They were both made in September 2020. So with both of these, there's not very much hair loss issues in terms of the actual hair loss on the systems. There is certain areas that, to prove that we'll try to be transparent as ever. Sometimes you get more hair loss at the front, whereas in other times, if you look at this one, let me have a quick look. I've had more hair loss in the front of this one, whereas in this one, I've got very little hair loss anywhere. So it is a bit of a crapshoot. You sometimes do get one that is slightly better, lasts longer than others. But yeah, 2020s. So like I said, a little bit of hair loss in the crown on this one, but nothing that when you put your skin underneath or your hair on your head, it would be fine. But yeah, I mean, in general, I wouldn't want to wear them again, being as they are, 3 years old. But this one particularly is probably in better nick, so this one I probably would keep as a spare if I needed to, but unfortunately I've still got more, so we're going to go through them as well. So these are my next two, 2021, September again, funny enough. So I order them every kind of year. I order two and try to go through them. But yeah, we'll see how things go. So these are actually in pretty good nick. Now, this one has lost a little bit of hair. I did absolutely batter this one playing football though. I came back playing football at about 38, and I started playing quite a high level again, so I was very intent on getting fit and being competitive. So this one took an absolute battering, lasted me a season pretty much. And then this one, I was really upset with. Now, this one, there's actually nothing wrong with this one. This one I would be happily to keep as a spare. The only thing that was wrong with this one is, like a lot of you will come in and have haircuts by us and have fittings done. The only thing that was wrong with this one is I let a barber cut it who wasn't very experienced. I don't know if you can really see this chopped edge. Absolutely butchered my system. So this is almost it is pretty much unwearable. I literally had to go home with this one and put this one back on because this was unwearable. You could literally see a line. It was terrible. I don't think there's any way I can repair this one. I've tried to chip into it and cut into it a little bit, but as you can see, it's just a very blunt line that doesn't seem to want to come out. So unfortunately, this one would be another throwaway, only on the basis of that one cut. Other than that, I'd have quite happily worn that for another couple of months. But yeah, that was my 2021 systems. So the next ones are going to be showing you in a second, are 22 into 23. So this is actually the repair system. Now, what happened with this one was I put this on just before Christmas. I want to say end of November, early December. I was getting ready to have my little one, thought, new hair, let's look good for the baby. But yeah, so what actually happened was this one had some hair loss issues. It did fail a little bit. There were some gaps starting to form very quickly. Although I hadn't worn it very long, there was evidently some gaps in it. I took it off, we had it re-haired, we sent it off for warranty repair. It was under the warranty date, which is 3 months. So it was quite lucky that I managed to get this in just in time. But yeah, so it came back now re-haired. So fun enough, this one is exactly the same as this one. Obviously this one's on my head. So this is the one I had to put on once I did that. I was quite lucky I had another spare. It was by 2, like I say. So I tended to just quickly whack this one on, cut it in, get it all done really quick because I was in desperate need of a new one after having that one butchered. So yeah, so it was one of them where I had to get that one on my head, this one back on my head quickly. So I cut it in, did it, hair loss, managed to get this one put on as well. So this one will be getting cut in. What I'll be doing is literally, you can see, if you look through the system a little bit better, I'll try to zoom in, you can see some of the shorter lengths. Now those shorter lengths are actually my hair length, and these are the longer lengths that were added. So all I got to do is recut this. It's a video. I might even cut it in our blog on video. It's a couple of minutes job. I mean, it's not even that long a job to do. And cut this one on, so this will become my spare, because I won't put this one on until this one's in a lot worse state. And I think I've got a good few months left because I've had this one on now. I took this one off February, now in middle of July. So this has been on like 5 months ish. And I'll probably get another 2-3 months out of it, so it makes it up to 8, which means I'll then put this one back on probably before I move on to my new system, which is 2023. I'll be keeping this one just in a bag in a dark drawer, making sure it stays out of any kind of elements and lights and things like that, just because it would be good to have a new one whenever I do need it. As you can tell, this one probably might need a little bit of colour as well, the older one, just because obviously worn it, sometimes colour fades and things like that, and it's a colour issue, but we can get that sorted. Nice bit of colour, 10-minute job. So yeah, so that is 8 systems. I've been wearing systems since 7 years ago. So what's that? Quick maths. 2016, 17-ish. And I've probably only ever had 10 systems in that time. Now, that sounds like a lot, but obviously with my job, being that I work here and I cut hair quite regularly and everyone sees me quite regularly, it does mean that I actually have to relatively have my hair looking okay. There's no point in me wearing one of those ones and you coming in and saying, Jesus Christ, Troy, what's wrong with your hair? So yeah, so I've got to change mine a little bit more regularly, but it's something that I don't mind doing. But if I wasn't, I would be wearing them a little bit longer. As you can see, I've still got plenty of life in all these ones up here, which are going to go back in the bags in a minute, and we will be putting them to be training, or they'll just be going as spares. But yeah, so that's systems. Like I said, trying to be transparent with you. We do go through a couple of systems a year on average. If you're good with it, 10 months is a very good kind of time. I tend to get anywhere from 8 to 10. And yeah, so I tend to go through them and I enjoy it. And trust me, I look a lot better with a system than I do without. So one way or another, I always be having one. But yeah, so I'm going to leave you there. Like I said, any questions, put them in the comments and someone will get back to you as quick as they can. Alternatively, I was ring the company and we can speak to you then. Cheers.